Bizarre celebrity conspiracy theories of 2019 in 2020. Fifth, Lady Gaga killed someone. Lady Gaga is known for many things, for her vocals, for her eccentricity in both her music and fashion, and, most currently, for her acting ability. What she isn't known for, however, is for being a murderer, which, according to some conspiracy theorists, is exactly what she is. According to this theory, Gaga killed a former up-and-coming pop star named Lina Morgana in order to steal her style. Lina Morgana has been confirmed to be dead, not missing or held captive by the Illuminati. She committed suicide in 2008 by jumping from a hotel balcony. Fourth, Katy Perry is John Bennett Ramsey. Katy Perry is known for many things, such as her singing, her stage performances, her style, and even her love life, and also for maybe being a child beauty queen who was reportedly murdered at the young age of 6 but was actually kidnapped. The theory, as most are, seems far-fetched. Conspiracy theorists and fans alike claim that the beauty queen was hidden from the public eye until 2008, when she broke out in the music industry. Third, Avril Lavigne is dead. Known for her grungy hits and teenage attitude, Avril Lavigne rose to fame quickly and enjoyed a fair amount of time in the spotlight before the weight of it all, paired with the sudden loss of her grandfather as well as her parents' divorce, took their toll on the singer. After a period of riding the wave of her success, Lavigne admitted that she needed some time away from her music and the touring to focus on herself. It was during that time that conspiracy theorists and fans alike began to believe that the real Avril Lavigne was replaced by a look-alike, one who was actually Avril's friend. Second, Beyoncé is dead. Even though there are no actual facts to support the theories that our favorite celebrities have been replaced by doppelgangers, that doesn't mean conspiracy theorists are willing to listen. In 2016, a theory hit social media and began to spread about Beyoncé that didn't have to do with her supposed Illuminati ties. Instead, this one claimed that Beyoncé was actually killed years ago, and the one we see now is a clone. First, the Beatles never existed. Among all the ludicrously far-fetched and completely bizarre celebrity conspiracy theories, one stands out from the rest: the idea that the Beatles, one of the most recognizable bands of all time, never even existed. Conspiracy theorists claim that the Beatles were not, in fact, made up of 4 distinct band members but were a conglomeration of actors and models who were used to create a worldwide phenomenon. Thanks for watching.